open the Burnyzz Speed Shop. Let's go for a ride.
People ask me all the time, what is Burnyzz? Burnyzz is your one-stop shop for all your automotive needs. Whether you want to restore a car, you want to increase the performance of your car, you're selling a car, you want to buy a car, or you need to transport a car, we're here to take care of you. Hi, I'm Brian, sales manager here at Burnyzz. Whether it's a classic Corvette, a resto mod, or a modern performance car, we have it all here at Burnyzz. We make the buying process super simple from start to finish. Whether you're in the showroom or at home on your computer, a few strokes of the pen or a few clicks of the mouse, and your dream is in your driveway. If you're looking to sell a car and you don't want people banging on your door, bring it to Burnyzz. We have an easy consignment process, and before you know it, you'll be walking away check in hand. We inspect every car that we sell, so you can be assured that only the best cars are in our showroom. Now for our service department, I'm going to hand you off to our service manager, Rob Adams.
Hi, I'm Rob, service manager here at Burnyzz Speed Shop. I'm excited to give you an in-depth look at our incredible 20,000 square foot service facility. For over 12 years, clients like yourself have trusted the Burnyzz name to maintain and enhance their special rides. And for good reason. We share your automotive passion. We are hot rodders ourselves, and we understand the ultimate goal. Our skilled technicians are in a league of their own, each one specifically trained in different areas of general maintenance, restoration, and performance modification. Are you still suffering through hot summers? We can keep you cool with competitive pricing and expert installation on vintage air and classic auto air systems. Or maybe it's the cold air that's got you singing the carburetor blues. We offer modern fuel injection solutions from top manufacturers such as Edelbrock Performance and Holley Manufacturing. How about a little more power? We are an authorized dealer and trusted installer of names like ProCharger, Whipple, Roush, and many more. In fact, we've installed over 250 superchargers and counting. Here's something you may not expect. We offer a heavy-duty division. With over 70 years of combined experience, our heavy-duty department has the know-how to tackle the toughest fabrication, single to dually, and bi-fuel conversions. Of course, we're a lot more than just turning wrenches. We have a complete upholstery shop on site, utilizing premium materials that you can see, touch, and feel before you buy. Designing your new custom interior is a pleasing experience all on its own. While your vehicle is in our hands, you can expect top-tier customer service. We pay close attention to protect your investment, providing routine updates and answering any questions you may have along the way.
Another division of Burnyzz is Ocala Trailer. I'm Trailer Mike, and with Ben, we are your local source for car haulers and equipment trailers. Have a low vehicle? We offer no-ramp trailers that drop to the ground for easy loading. And Max D is building the best quality dump equipment trailers, roll-offs, and car haulers in the industry, made in the USA for hard-working blue-collar workers. Call or text us anytime, and you'll always get an immediate response from us. Ben and I have over 13 years experience in the trailer business. We are very knowledgeable about our products, and we keep in close contact with our vendors regarding their latest offerings and getting the support needed to keep these trailers rolling safely down the road. This knowledge and our timely response allows you to better your own businesses and improve our community with the work that you do. So visit us soon. Our office is in the Burnyzz Sales Showroom building or online at ocalatrailer.com. Once you get your next trailer from Ocala Trailer, you'll be ready to buy your dream car from Burnyzz. Ben and I are here, ready to make that happen.
So if you're looking to buy, sell, or improve your classic or modern performance vehicle, give us a call and we here at Burnyzz will make it happen.